Getting started with your new Henry Pet is really quick and easy. Firstly, screw on the hose and attach the tubes. If you need to adjust the height, just turn around the tube bend. This is also handy to remember when you're using the accessories. The Combi Floor Tool is great for everyday cleaning and it easily switches between carpets and hard floors. A big plus with Henry Pet is the Hero brush, which is perfect for pet owners. The rotating brushes easily pick up pet hair from furniture and carpets. In fact, even without pets, it's ideal on stairs, tight spaces and the car. Your vac will be ready for use with a HEPA flow bag and microfresh filter already added. The microfresh filter is another added feature for Henry Pet. It's got an added layer of charcoal which traps pet odours as you clean. Henry comes with a super long 10-metre cable, which means less of that annoying plugging and unplugging. So now he's fully assembled, just plug in, switch on and you're ready to go. You can't beat a Henry for versatility, and Henry Pet is no different. With a full accessory kit, you've got a tool for every job you can think of, and probably some you haven't. So when you're finished, Henry stores neatly away and you're done.